Please don't shoot me!
The terms of your father's will are explicit, that you take an active role in the company.
The shares, how much are they worth?
We need to assign you a new close protection officer.
Am I supposed to know who you are?
Sam, nice to meet you.
You should know there's been a recent increase in kidnap and ransom. You're great company.
I've decided to proceed. Report only to me, understood?
Zoe, stay low, okay?
Come on!
Where are you taking us?
Let's get one thing straight. I no longer work for you. From now on, you do as I say.
The job's over. Why are you still here?
She has no one. You have to fight back. Fight back.
I can't do this! Friends should trust each other. Promise me.
I promise.